baby. What are you watching?
I'm watching one couple who make yourself up. I told you to make me up the other day. You are just.
Well, I tried now.
You put this eyeshadow because I was telling you. If I didn't tell you, don't put eyeshadow in my nose. My nose is full of eyeshadow.
But I tried. At least out of 100%, I still got like 60. If not 70, 87. So what are you talking about? What are you doing?
I'm enjoying them. Honey, your phone is ringing.
Forget about that plumber, Jerry. Is that
I know
man?
I told you now. I need the plumber guy to come and help me fix my.
That washing hand basin has. I don't know.
I need to fix that sink.
I talked to landlord about it, and I think.
But now the plumber guy is calling you.
I don't
Pick
want
his
to
call.
pick his
Let me
call.
load it.
I don't want to pick it. Don't worry. Forget it. Let the phone be ringing.
Boy.
Let's all be present. You don't like seeing me at home this weekend?
Your phone is ringing and I need the plumber guy.
Okay.
Tell him that I need him to.
You don't cut self. I don't think there is any need for it. Even
You'll be the one to fix that sink. You see. You don't see. Look at the makeup. How interesting it looks like.
there is no need of you calling him. Why are you very serious about this plumber of it? Forget about him.
See, the guy is calling you again.
Oh
Give me your
God.
call.
Why is she be? Why? What am I even saying? Oh God. Plumber. Hmm? Hello? You see?
Tell him I said I need him to come fix my.
Wait. I think the network is not good. It's breaking. I can't hear you. Hmm? Okay. Okay. All right.
Why can't you tell him what I told you to tell him now?
What?
That I need to fix my sink. Enjoy.
Why are you so serious about this plumber working? Forget about him. When I came in now, you are not talking about plumber.
Okay.
No, I'm just talking about plumber working. I don't even understand. Why are you talking about plumber? I like this guy, very useless. I told you, don't call me on Saturdays. I will be with my wife at home, with my family. Why would you be calling me on Saturdays? Plumber. I don't know why. You'll be calling me on Saturdays that I'm busy with my family. Okay, what did you expect? Now, if to say I don't get rid of them, you don't catch me. Now, brain I use. Oh man, I won't think go.
Like seriously. So my husband finally had a side chick. Mike! Mike!
You don't catch me.
You need some pizza. You need pizza.
But like like really, I like it. I need.
Okay, now you have to help me go to supermarket and get some. Mike! Honey!
Yeah.
You never going to buy the pizza?
I'm getting ready.
Aren't you hungry?
Yeah. Okay. I thought you wanted to cook before. That's why I did not even bother about the pizza anymore when we were talking about pizza.
Yeah, I'm cooking, but before the meat will get ready, I'm just slicing the meat. Aren't you hungry?
This one that you are just sharpening as in the way you are doing the knife, take it easy, man. It's all those aboki people that used to do knife like this. If you want to buy suya from there, are you selling suya? Do you want to go and buy
How will I use to cut the meat? My knife is not sharp enough.
I know now, but the way you are doing the knife, take it easy. I'm not scared, but I'm just curious.
Why are you acting as if there is something about it?
Stop pointing me the knife. Take it easy, baby.
Clear conscience, they say fear is not.
Take it easy.
I bet help me bring this thing in that box.
What's that?
Apostle, we hear of this.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Alright.
So I'll be leaving now.
Okay.
So you take care of yourself, okay? Bye.
Alright, bye. Have you left? Honey? Mike? Plumber. Okay. Is it 22? What is the code of this phone? You always change your code. His birthday was the last time. The year of his birth was the last one. Oh no. What would this code be? Okay, let's go check. Yeah, you and Plumber is exchanging love texts. I love you too. When did you and Plumber become lovers? But wait, what do you think I'm a fool? Go and buy pizza and come back. I hope this Plumber doesn't call again because I will plumber.
Wait, I'm not carrying my phone. This one another palava. Hey, this is baby, I don't die. Plumber 1, plumber 2. Hey, I need to rush.
The plumber has finally called. Hello?
Funke! Funke!
So, who is this? Sorry?
Please, I want to speak with Mike.
Chai!
Who are you and why
You only you waka come.
Hey, like seriously?
Chai!
Okay, you know what? Mike is not around. Can you call him in next 20 minutes? Oh God, I kissed somebody. Who am I?
Apostle, we hear of this.
Don't worry, by the time you call back, you know who am I. Hey, God, what the? Hey. This is not even new dating. Okay. You and that plumber will really know the stuff I'm made of. You don't want to be. Okay, I think this is better. Today I'm going to plumber you. We are going to fix those pipes together. Oh God. Hello, sweetheart. Hey God, who are you? Wait, even the side chick don't even know that he's married. Okay. Alright.
I don't know something. This woman is saying.
There is God, oh. You only you waka come.
Jesus is Lord.
If you don't come in at the parlor, no look for anything for kitchen. Wait till they find they're here. Come into the living room. Plumber. I'm looking for your phone, dear. Just come in. Your phone is here.
I don't bring the pizza.
Come here. Where are you going from? Sit nearer. So now, plumber?
Yeah.
Who is plumber?
Take it easy.
Who is plumber?
Yeah.
Today, I'm going to plumber
Take
you.
it easy.
I'm going to fix you.
Ah.
I'm
Yeah.
going to pizza you.
Take it easy.
And you,
Yeah.
pizza,
Yeah.
pizza.
Yeah. Hi guys.
Thank you for watching this amazing video and don't have plumber.
Like seriously, na so you go push at me.
Try get plumber.
Wife push her husband.
Well, because the husband have plumber. Alright guys, please do like this video. If you really love the video, please do give us a thumbs up. Like that like button that is like this. Is 2. The other one is thumbs down. The other one is thumbs up. Please give us a thumbs up and click on that red subscribe button. Click on the red subscribe and you will see a little bell. Click on that bell. It's a notification bell so that each time I drop
get all our videos.
each time we drop a new video. Why you come cut me talk wrong thing? Each time we drop a new video, you will be the first notified.
Yeah.
Thank you and drop your comments. We are there to listen and hear all your comments. Thank you so much guys. We are making this video for you guys and for our Muslim fans out there. Happy Ramadan.
Happy Ramadan. Barika di Salah.
Never reach Salah. Salah no be the ending of the Salah. It's never reach Salah. Salah. It never reach Eid Mubarak.
My mommy is a Christian. My father is a Christian.
My mom is a Christian. My father is a Christian. But some of our fans
I have many Muslim friends.
So happy Ramadan and keep praying.
Don't push at me. Don't push at me.
Get plumber and you will see me in action. Alright guys, thank you for watching and you will see next time.
Peace.
Peace up. Bye. Don't get plumber to avoid shack and shine. Next time it's shack and shine I'll use. Bye.